Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another Do Now. All right, let's do it. We have a quiz tomorrow, so let's practice some of this. A circle has a diameter of 22 centimeters. What is the radius? Go. All right, let's see. So a circle has a diameter, so diameter goes to the center. That'd be 22 centimeters. So radius goes from the center to the outside, so there's 2, right? So that'd be 11 and 11. So that's 11, that's 11. So the answer is 11. So that would be D. Good work. Okay, let's do another one. Boop. Calculate the circumference. Round your answer to 1 decimal place. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see if you remember what it is. All right, so circumference equals 2 pi r, or pi times diameter, because 2 radii equal 1 diameter. And we have a circle which the radius is 8 meters. Okay, so 8 meters right there. So that's a radius, so I'm going to plug it in here. Equals 2 times pi times 8. 2 times 8 is 16 times pi. So I'm going to go to calculate 84. And I got 16 times pi. Like that, 16 times pi. Boom. And I got 50.265 about. 50.265 about. There you go. So it's about 50.265. I don't know. The answer is the nearest 10th, right? 50. So I'm going to round to the nearest 10th. Boom. This is the 10th place right here. So it's 6. So this goes up. It's about 50.3. There you go. So the answer is A. Good work. Okay, next one. Ooh, look at this. Which figure below has the largest area? A, circle. B, square. C, triangle. Go. Okay, let's see what we got. So let's do one at a time. So the circle is 6 right here, 6 centimeters. So area is pi r squared. So that's going to be pi times 6 squared. 6 times 6 is 36 times pi. So I'm going to go here. 36 times pi is about 113.09, about 113.1. Okay, so I'm going to hold on to that right now. Now we have the B, the square. So one side is 10. So let's see. So one side is 10 of a square. So all sides equal, all angles congruent. So it's 10 times 10, so that is 100, because area equals length times width, or side squared, side times side, 10 times 10. This is 10 centimeters squared. This is about 113 centimeters squared. So it looks like the circle's in the lead right now, because 113 is bigger than 100. Oh, we got the triangle. Triangle. What's the area of a triangle? Yeah, 1/2 base times height. 14 and 16 right there, right? So 14 and 16 area equals 1/2 base times height. 1/2 14 times 16. Half of 14 is 7. Times 16 is 7 times 16 is 112. 112. Okay, 112 centimeters squared, because it's area. Okay, so we have 113.1, 100, 112. Looks like, ooh, by very little, the circle wins. There you go. So A is the answer. Good job, everybody.